Hello and welcome to another learning session today. If this is your first time checking out this video, it is part of the web basic design series that we are doing. We've so far looked at HTML, CSS, and right now we are focusing on version control, which is Git in our case. We are going to install Git on our PCs, and we can do that using the command line interface or install it via a text editor like VS Code, which you are going to download today. You can always subscribe to our channel to support and also share it with your friends so that we are able to have a very great learning platform. We'll head straight to download VS Code. You can just Google it. I'll just type there we go, and click download. Once you get to the download page, depending on the operating system that you're working on, whether it's Windows, Linux, or Mac, you can be able to see various options here. But I assume majority of us are running on Windows, so I'll just click on Windows and we get the installer so that we can install it on our PCs. I'll save it, get the installer and save it, and you can be patient as it downloads. My download is ready, so I'll just head to the downloads folder. You can do that from the file explorer or the browser directly. So I'll just head to downloads. There we go. So I'll click on it to install directly from the browser. So because Windows offers you the wizard option, you can just proceed to click next. And you can choose to create a desktop icon, and depending on the other options that you need, but I'll just choose the 3 and install. So there we go, our installer is getting things done for us. So by default, we'll be using VS Code and not Sublime Text as we have been doing. There we go. That's it. You can launch it. Click finish. Once your setup is ready, you will see the welcome page on the Visual Studio Code editor, depending on how your files are structured, but you'll be able to see such an interface so that you can proceed to start coding. We have various panels on the left side here where you can do quite a number of things. We'll be looking into that as we proceed. But so far we've already installed Visual Studio Code, which comes with an inbuilt Git. So as of now, we are good to go. And the next thing that we are going to do is to actually link our file directory that we've been working with to the Git repo that we created. So see you in the next video where we'll be doing that.